Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight, Crown Royal, 2 boxes. Break number 151. Last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets, and it sold at 19:05 Eastern. And we'll go to the eBay time and refresh it. Your eBay time is 16:13 Pacific, 19:13 Eastern, and 20:13 Nova Scotia time. Good old Nova Scotia time. Okay, so here's our list of winners and their respective teams. Thanks to everybody who took part, got their bids in. Getting down to the last of this product. I think I've got tomorrow night. I've got a couple breaks, and I do believe that's all of it that I have. So I'll have to put something else up. I'll be out of Prime after tomorrow night. Well, no, I guess I've got a couple more boxes of it. So, oh, we'll see how she goes. There's a bit to go around yet. So there you have it. Break 151. Here's your serial numbers, 4764 and 3515. And I'll just show them here. Probably show them upside down. 4764. And that box is... Why am I getting so much glare there? That's that box. And the other one was 3515. Okay, well, we'll start with that one. So, good luck, everybody. Four packs. Okay. And we've got one of these nice pyramid cards, Pacific. Kyle Turris for the Ottawa Senators. That goes out to Michael Storrow. And that's a nice ruby version with an auto. Pacific Choice Award. Very nice. Congratulations. And for the Avalanche, Tiles by Gilles Chris. It's not Nathan McKinnon, but it's Tyson Barrie. And it's a Sovereign Sigs. Very nice. Congratulations. Two packs to go. For Aeronom 2 and the New York Rangers, Michael Delzato. And that's the silhouette. Not numbered. Congratulations, Matt. And last pack of the first box. And for Dragon's Bane 13, we got Nicholas Jensen for the Vancouver Canucks. And that's Heirs to the Throne. Very nice, congratulations. And just since that was off camera, 4764 is the number on it. Yeah, I really got that one going good, didn't I? There you go. Oh, this is going to be a nice box. Some nice thick packs there. They look to be anyway. Good luck with them. We've got a Ruby for Sam Gagne for Edmonton, numbered 60 out of 99. Edmonton is Hank H, 2005. And Vladimir Tarasenko for the Blues, and that's CA 2014 All W. Heirs to the throne, Tarasenko. And for the Boston Bruins, we got Rick Middleton, Sovereign Sigs, Ruby, 25 out of, or 4 out of 25 rather. Very nice, Mr. Middleton. That of course goes out to Bruce. I like the Bruins, what can I say? I think you all know that by now. To the Preds. Did I miss a card there? No. Ace of Base. We have got Taylor Beck. That's a gold rookie. Rookie royalty. Numbered 200 out of 499. Congratulations, Ace of Base. And last pack. Good luck. Let's see who gets the. It's not a silhouette. For the Pittsburgh Penguins. And NS Framer 33. Welcome back, buddy. Paul Coffey, defense, and look at that. Sweet. That is sticking jersey. Silver Chalice, 9 out of 10. There's the stick, and there's the, I think, well, patch, I guess. Yep, stick and patch. Very nice, congratulations. And there you have it. So that's all she wrote. Hopefully you can check into my breaks that are ending there now, and also tomorrow night I will have the same lineup. So hopefully I'll see you there. Till then, good night, happy bidding.